Hello class 11 commerce. I am sharing chapter number 8 explanation video part 2. In this video we are going to cover the complete chapter concept of cost. In the previous video we have discussed about the inputs, factor inputs and non-factor inputs. Then we have talked about explicit and implicit cost and selling and production cost. So let's start today's topic with the short run cost and shapes of short run cost curve. Short run is a period of time during which some factors are fixed and some are variable. There are two components, fixed cost and second one is variable cost. What do you mean by fixed cost? The expenditure incurred on fixed factors are known as fixed cost. For example, expenditure on land building, wages, etc. Variable cost, those expenditure incurred on variables factor. Example, wages of a casual worker. What is the formula of total cost? TC stands for total cost. It is TFC plus TVC. What is TFC? Total fixed cost, and TVC is total variable cost. Now coming upon the fixed cost. When output is zero, fixed cost will remain constant. It refers to those costs which are related to the use of the fixed factor. It is also called the supplementary cost, indirect cost. So if someone asks you what are the other names of fixed cost, then you will say supplementary and indirect cost. Example is license fees, expenditure on land building, expenditure on machine and plant and machinery. So in this we are going to make fixed cost का मैंने बताया कि चाहे आउटपुट 0 हो, चाहे आउटपुट 100 हो, चाहे आउटपुट 5 हो, फिक्स कॉस्ट हमेशा सेम रहती है. तो 0 पर हमने इस तरीके से एक फ्लो चार्ट बना लिया है. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू मेक अ कर्व आउट ऑफ इट. कर्व क्या बन रहा है? स्ट्रेट लाइन कर्व. इसकी ऑब्जर्वेशन क्या है? आउटपुट इज शोन ऑन द एक्स एक्सिस एंड टीएफसी इज शोन ऑन द वाई एक्सिस. द कर्व इज पैरेलल टू द एक्स एक्सिस. पैरेलल मतलब जो आपस में कभी मिलते नहीं है, तो इट इज पैरेलल टू द एक्स एक्सिस. दिस शोज दैट द कॉस्ट इज कांस्टेंट एट ऑल लेवल्स ऑफ आउटपुट. कमिंग अपॉन द वेरिएबल कॉस्ट विच चेंजेस विद द टाइम. Those costs which are related to the use of the variable factors are known as variable cost. It is also known as prime and direct cost. Example are cost of raw material, wages of casual worker, expenses on electricity, etc. So when output is 0, variable cost is also 0. So 0 per TVC is 0. TVC stands for total variable cost. 1 per 10. We have made a table like this, and out of this table we have made a curve and flow chart graph of this. By looking at this graph, we have observed following things. Output is shown on the x-axis and TVC is shown on the y-axis. TVC is upward sloping. As you can see that it is going upward with the increase in the output, and it is sloping. Alright. So this is all about TVC and TFC. Now coming upon the combined fixed cost, variable cost and total cost. Output is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and fixed cost is remain constant at all level of output. Variable cost is this. So TC is equal to FC plus VC. Yeah, you can say TFC plus TVC equals to TFC. TC. Okay. So we have concluded this. Out of this we have made the following chart. Okay, x on the x-axis output is shown, या unit is shown. On the y-axis TVC, TC and TFC is shown. So TFC is this. It is a straight line curve. TVC is moving upward and also TC is also moving upward. We will conclude from the above graph the following observation, that is TC is equal to TFC plus TVC. TFC is constant. TVC increases as the output increases. TC is parallel to TVC, shows the difference between TC and TVC is constant. Alright, now coming upon the average cost. What is the meaning of average cost? Cost per unit of output is called average cost. That is TC upon Q. We are coming upon the table to know about average cost. This is the output, this is the total cost. Average cost का formula क्या होता है? TC upon Q. So 10 upon 0, infinity. 20 upon 1, 20. 28 upon 2, 14. 34 upon 3, 11.3. So we have concluded this, and we have also now coming upon the fixed and variable components of average cost. This is normal average cost. All right. So what is average fixed cost and average variable cost? The formula same lies like TC is equal to TFC plus TVC. Here AC is equal to AFC plus AVC. All right. Now we have seen TFC and AFC, and we have made a formula like this. graph paper, on the graph paper, output on the x-axis and AFC on this axis. So the curve here shown is a rectangular hyperbola, and we have concluded this in the following observation. You can read in the following. Alright, now coming up on the average variable cost. Average variable cost, we have made a table like this, and from the average total variable cost, we have made average variable cost, that is 10 upon 1, 10, 18 upon 2, 9. The same like we have done in average fixed cost. Alright, so we have made a graph out of this chart. This is the U-shaped curve. Now coming upon the last topic of the chapter, that is marginal cost. What do you mean by that? Is change in the total cost upon change in the total quantity. We have made a following marginal cost like output, total cost, total variable cost, and total fixed cost. Fixed cost and variable cost का सम होता है total cost. So we have concluded marginal cost क्या होता है कि न्यू वन से प्रीवियस वाले को माइनस कर देते हैं अमाउंट, और क्वांटिटी में भी न्यू वन से प्रीवियस वाले को. तो फर्स्ट वाली क्वांटिटी में कुछ नहीं है तो यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं लिखा जाएगा. सेकंड वाले में आते हैं 20 माइनस 10. 20 माइनस 10 क्वांटिटी में कितना है 1 माइनस 0, तो आंसर विल बी 10. कमिंग अप ऑन द सेकेंड वन, दैट इज 28 माइनस 20 अपॉन 2 minus 1, the answer will be 8, and so on. So from this we are going to make marginal cost curve. On the y-axis we are going to show marginal cost, and here in the output it is also a U-shaped curve. Alright, and you can also check the relationship between that marginal cost and average cost. You can conclude all of the things from the formula TC1, and something like this will come. Okay, from the above diagram you can see that AC is falling. AC जहाँ पर fall कर रहा है, लेकिन वो MC से still it is greater than MC. So you will say that जब वो एक पॉइंट पे वो MC और AC कांस्टेंट है और वो वहाँ पे सेम है, तो दैट इज पॉइंट E. ओके, व्हेन AC इज राइजिंग, जब AC राइज कर रहा है तो MC इज ग्रेटर देन AC. सो यू विल कंक्लूड ऑल ऑफ द फॉलोइंग, एंड this is the diagram where all the AC and AVC, AFC and MC is shown on the one diagram. You have to look into it. If you have any problem, then you can ask me. So with this, your chapter number 8, concept of cost, has been completed. Thank you very much.